Welcome to day 2 of the AO Cancun retreat. Today, the world's greatest leaders are heading to the beautiful Isla Mujeres. First though, they have to get there in style.
We just got off our amazing catamaran. We're here at our private island, Isla Mujeres. We're gonna go and see what's in store. Let's go have some fun. Hey!
It's been an incredible day on Isla Mujeres, from gorgeous food to even better views. And there's more to come tomorrow. As day 3 began, our greatest leaders spent the afternoon lounging by the pool. And as the sun set, they took to the beach for a dinner that really set their world on fire. It's been an amazing time for our AO team in Cancun, Mexico. Thank you for joining us, and make sure you don't miss out on the next one.
AO, let's go!